Greetings and welcome to another tutorial for the multi-store add-ons for WooCommerce, which is a plugin that you can use to manage multiple WooCommerce stores easily and efficiently. It also comes with a lot of useful features such as distant shipping, location picker, store-wise payment, and so on. And all these features are used to enhance or upgrade the standard WooCommerce features. So let's get started. In this video, we will be going over the local pickup shipping method. In particular, we will see how you can create shipping zones and assign stores to these zones. So let's get started. Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a shipping zone with the local pickup shipping method. So let's go to the WooCommerce tab, click on settings, click on the shipping tab here, scroll down and click on add zone. Now let's give the zone a name such as North America, for example. Let's assign some regions to the zone. Let's go with the US and Canada. Now let's add a shipping method. Click on the local pickup shipping option, then click on continue. And let's name the local pickup option so that we can distinguish between it. Let's call it local pickup NA for North America. Press the create button here. And the shipping zone with this shipping method has been created, local pickup NA. Now let's assign some stores to this shipping zone. To do that, we will need to go to the Agile Store Locator plugin and click on the WooCommerce tab here. And once we are here, we will head over to the local pickup tab. Let's head over to the shipping method sub-tab, and here we can see the local pickup North America shipping method or shipping zone we just created. So let's assign some stores to it. Click on the assign stores button, and let's assign some stores in the United States. Here's the list of all the stores in the US, so let's assign a few of them by clicking on this button over here. And 3 stores have now been assigned to the local pickup NA shipping method. Let's head back to the settings. So before we can see the local pickup shipping method in action, we will first need to enable it. So go back to the local pickup tab and enable this option over here, local pickup with store selection. Once that is enabled, click on the save settings button, and the local pickup shipping method has been enabled. Now let's test this local pickup shipping method in our WooCommerce store. So let's head over to the products tab here and select all products. Let's select a product that's in stock. Click on view. Let's add this product to the cart. And let's now view the cart. And once we're on the cart page, we'll scroll down here. Here you can see the local pickup for North America has been assigned and shipping to New York. Let's select a store for this shipping method. Here are all the stores we assigned to the local pickup shipping method in North America. So let's select a store. Let's select the White Shop store. It has been selected. Now let's proceed to checkout. At the checkout page, we'll provide our billing address, and we'll also get the order summary in an email. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.